Press the power button to turn on/off. If there is no audio input or operation, the speakers will automatically power off after 30 minutes. If the speaker malfunctions for unknown reasons, press and hold the power button for 8 seconds to force a shutdown, then restart the speaker. The battery level indicators display the remaining charge. When the battery level is below 10%, the last will indicator flash. When charging, the indicator will breathe and flash. When fully charged, approximately 5 hours, the indicator lights will be all on. Press the Bluetooth button once to enter pairing mode. Press and hold the Bluetooth button 2 seconds to disconnect the Bluetooth connection. The speaker can be connected to up to 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time. Press the MFB once to play pause. Press the MFB twice to the next track. Press the MFB 3 times to the previous track. AC input charging port. Microphone volume control knob, turn left to reduce the volume, turn right to increase volume. Microphone reverb knob, turn left to reduce reverb, turn right to increase reverb. USB-C input charging port. USB-A output charging port. The speaker can charge other devices. 3.5mm O audio input port. 6.35mm microphone input port. Connect speaker 1 to your phone via Bluetooth, then press the TWS button. Ensure speaker 2 is not connected to any device. Then press the TWS button. If speaker 2 is already in Bluetooth pairing mode, no need to press the TWS button. Once both speakers play sound simultaneously, TWS pairing is successful. Speaker 1 will function as the left channel and speaker 2 as the right channel.
Stereo mode. Left channel. Right channel.
If 2 speakers are already in stereo mode, press the TWS button on either speaker. You'll hear a voice announcement indicating the switch to party mode.
Party mode.
In party mode, speakers 1 and 2 will play the same audio, no longer separating into left and right channels. To disconnect TWS, press and hold the TWS button on either speaker for 2 seconds.